Hello, and let's take a look here with me. I was looking for a game built in Compose using Kotlin, something like that. I found some things, I found some IDEs, but not with Compose. And when we find games like this one here. I just put here so you can see it. Okay, as you can see, it's not a really exciting game, but it's a tutorial, it's really fast, so great. I'm not talking about this main, I talk about the game. I want a real game, so I'm just searching for this. I don't find any in this interesting games here. This one is from when? Because this is white. I don't like when this is white. But okay, you can see we have this neck here. It's a good game. Seems interesting. And I already did some good animations, but the idea here is a little more ambitious, let's say this way. My idea is to create this game here with Jetpack Compose. So, as you can see, the animation, everything here, and here is a DOGWALK. It's from Blender, and I want to build everything here. So you can see this animation, you can see this dynamic, you can see these movements, these interactions, everything. So I want to see how deep we can go with gaming engine and compose with compose multiplatform. So I'm gonna build for Android and desktop, and I just start my prototypes that I'm gonna show you guys. And let me see. And that's this one. I took some time to create this, 1 hour maybe. It was fast, but this is already the core idea. So we have a dog that is pushing a girl, and for instance, we're gonna use the same assets that the game, so the game will have the same images. So it will be stop motion one. I think I read a lot. Okay, so as you can see here, we already have the main functionality, let's say this way. So as you can see, we can pass here, we can pass on the front, we can pass behind, and as you can see, I think is really cool, right? I think so. So I think it's basically this. I want to recording some things, and I want to give some knowledge when I'm building this for my experience, what's happened, how I'm doing things. But for now, what I have is this. I have this brown here. I have this red, that's the girl, and I have the trees. Okay, I can show the engine if you want. I can show the code if you want. But just if anyone is watching here and want to see how it's working, how it's coded. But my idea is just bring things that has some values, have some knowledge. So from basics to something that I don't know. But for today, it's just a presentation. I'm doing this and I'm gonna continue creating. And if I have something that I learned, I will bring to you guys. So this is the final goal. This exact thing with these assets, these images, this dog, this girl, these animations, this map. And we're gonna go even further with missions, different maps. We're gonna literally create a game here if it's possible. I think so. As I said, I did some research, and I think it's possible create this game just with Jetpack Compose and Kotlin multi-platform. So Compose multi-platform. Sorry for if anyone like the details like this way. Okay, so that's the idea, and it's a quick one. Thanks so much, and subscribe so you can follow this one, and give me suggestions if you want to this be more presentational. So just checkpoints. So look how it is, look what we can do now, look the assets, look the dog, look the animations, something like this. Or if you want to see the package through the code and how I'm building this in details. This is not be public, this is gonna be private. because I have some plans for the future. So thank you so much, and I see you next one. I hope so. And no hacker rank and leech codes videos today, because I will be building this game. So see you.